Phantom, a British Rails diesel locomotive. Trojan, a Great Western Railway steam locomotive. Lady of Legend, a Great Western Railway tender engine. Great Western Railway steam locomotive, Pendennis Castle. British Railways diesel locomotive D9516. Unknown operator, King George, blue tank engine. Great Western Railway steam locomotive, Henderton Hall. This is Henderton's cab. Great Western Railway steam locomotive, I don't know how to pronounce, Castle. Unknown operator, steam locomotive number 5. British Rail steam locomotive, King Edward II. Great Western Railway Prairie. Great Western steam locomotive. British Rails Burton Angus Hall. Great Western Railway steam locomotive. Unknown Great Western Railway locomotive.